Another important role HR business partner need to play is the workforce planning and talent management. When it comes to workforce planning, HR business partner need to identify the current and future skills requirements to meet the business objectives. Let's take an example of meeting the 100 crores of the turnover. Organization need to see that what kind of skills that are required for the current as well as the future, whether the current workforce is enough or how much it needs to be ramped up over a period of time, and when to recruit, right, when to get these talent need to be ramped up over in different geographies. These needs to be planned well. And when it comes to talent management, this involves a lot of strategic recruitment, employee development, and a retention strategies also comes under this talent management completely. So wherever the resources skills are lesser, so skill matrix need to be maintained and to make everybody resourceful so that the optimum output can come from the employees, and they need to meet the goals of the organization. That is what employee development that needs to be done. And also we need to retain the people who are already talented, so need to stay with the organization. So a lot of retention strategies need to be looked into. The compensation benefits need to be in line with the market, the trainings need to be there, opportunities need to be provided, a lot of recognition, rewards and recognition need to be there, and people should stay with the organization is the most important. In this, HR business partners will play a very crucial role.